Well, it's not hard to see why we get a bit fed up sometimes when this happens, when we go away. Right in the middle of packing up, and we've got over a week, more like 10 days of solid rain. So we have to try and get everything done between the showers, gradually getting the car packed. Got some food packed in there, got the angle down here, that's still got the two-tone to go on it. But this weather is really making life difficult at the moment. It has been raining up at Shark Bay. Last week some of the tracks were closed, but it does look like it's clearing there by the end of the week, so we are really hoping by then the tracks will all be open and we won't have any trouble getting in, but getting packed, that's a problem. It makes me very happy that I got the camper trailer all packed up and ready to go when the weather was still good, so a bit of planning there helped out. It always seems to me that the packing part of the trip is the most stressful. I never feel like I've got everything I need to take, and I'm always looking at my lists, checking and rechecking, and although we've done this quite a few times in the past, it just never feels like I've got it right. We've got a big packing list that we make available online to anybody who wants to check it out. Have a look at the link below if you want to grab a copy of it. It's fairly comprehensive and it's geared towards people going away in a 4x4 and towing a camper trailer. So we're getting very close now. We're only a couple of days from leaving. Almost packed. We've got a few things to strap onto the roof rack and some last minute bits and pieces to throw into the car, but hopefully we are now all packed, and apart from last minute items, we're ready to go.